Om children, we can start the prayer, Lakshmi ma'am.
Yeah. Om to all. Hari Om. We will start today's special Ganesha special today. So we will start with the Ganesha prayer only as usual. Manushree will repeat after me. Huh? Ready? Manushree?
Ready? Ready? Chapati.
Om Vakratunda Maha. I will say, then you repeat. Okay? Om Vakratunda Mahakaya
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय
Suryakoti Samaprabha
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
Nirvignam
निर्विघ्नं
Kuru Me Deva
कुरु मे देव
Sarvakaryeshu
सर्वकालेषु
Sarvada
सर्वदा
Saraswati
सरस्वती
Namastubhyam
नमस्तुभ्यं
Varade
वरदे
Kamarupini
कामरूपिणी
Vidyarambam
विद्यारम्भं
Karishyami
करिष्यामि
Siddhir
भवतु
Me Sada
मे सदा
Gurur Brahma
गुरु ब्रह्मा
Gurur Vishnuhu
गुरु विष्णुः
Gurur Devo
गुरु देवो
Maheshwarah
महेश्वरः
Guru Sakshat
गुरु साक्षात्
Param Brahma
परब्रह्म
Tasmai Shri
तस्मै श्री
Gurave Namaha.
गुरवे नमः.
Thank you, Manushi. Now we will start with the daily prayers first, and then we will go to Vishnu Sahasranama. So daily prayers, Shashwati is there. Shashwati is present.
Yes, she's present.
Okay. Okay. So Shashwati has to sing which one, you know? First two. Karagre. Can you do of your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then start. If you don't know, you can repeat. If you know, you can. Huh? You want me to repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Karagre vasate Lakshmi.
कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी
Karamadhye Saraswati.
करमध्ये सरस्वती
Karamule tu Govindah.
करमूले तु गोविन्दः
Prabhade Karadarshanam.
प्रभाते करदर्शनम्
Samudravasane Devi.
समुद्रवसने देवी
Parvatastana Mandale.
पर्वदर्शनमण्डले
Vishnu Patni Namastubhyam.
विष्णुपत्नी नमस्तुभ्यं
Padasparsham Kshamaswa me.
पादस्पर्शं क्षमस्तु मे.
Thank you, Shashwati. Now Samrita Nadivandanam. Can you do of your own?
Yes.
Start.
गङ्गैच मुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु.
And next one, Deepa Vandanam. Also.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदां शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोस्तुते.
Very good. Now next, Vidya Vandanam. Adrika is present.
She is not present today, Adrika.
Okay, okay. Then Kushi, can you do Vidya Vandanam?
ज्ञानानन्दयनं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे.
Next also, Bhojana Vandanam. Brahmarpanam.
ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्म वहि ब्रह्माग्नौ ब्रह्मण हुतं ब्रह्मावीते
तेन
ब्रह्मैव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्म कर्म समाधिना.
Thank you. Next, Nidra Vandanam.
Yes,
Who is that? You can do?
yes, Amma.
Okay, do that.
रामस्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनितेयं वृकोदरं शयने स्मर नित्यं दुःस्वप्नं तस्य नश्यते.
Thank you, Kushi. Now we will go to Vishnu Sahasranama. Last week's 103 and 104. Vishruta and Virat. You have to chant yourself. Vishruta.
प्रमाणं प्राणनिलयः प्राणभृत् प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविदेकात्मा जन्म मृत्युजरातिगः भूर्भुवः स्वस्तरुस्तार सवितः प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्ञा यज्ञाङ्गो यज्ञवाहनः.
Very good. Nicely chanted you have. Very done. Well done. Now Virat.
Yes, Amma. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Pramanam prana nilaya prana brit prana jivanah tattvam tattva videkatma janma mrityur jaradikaha bhulbhuva swastaristara savita prapitamaha yajñāṅyo yajñapatir yajva yajñāṅyo yajñavahanah.
That is Yajño Yajñapadir Yajva.
Okay.
Repeat. Repeat.
Yajño yajñapatir yajva.
Yajñango Yajñavahanah.
Okay.
Okay. Now next we are going to finish it today. Anybody else? Shant, Sai Nishant, Hasini, are they present?
Yes, Amma, I'm present.
Yes, Amma. This is Hasini. I'm present.
Okay, Hasini. Hasini, you start.
Yes, Amma.
You can repeat. Okay.
Okay.
From 105 to 108.
Yes, Amma.
Yajna Bridhyajna Kridhyajni.
Yajna Bridhyajna Krityagni.
Yajna Bhuk Yajna Sadhanah.
Yajna Bhuk Yajna Sadhanah.
Yajnanda Kridhyajna.
Yajñānta Kridyatya.
Guhya Manna Mannada.
Guhya Manna Mannada.
Evacha.
Evacha.
Yajna Bridhyajna Kridhyajni.
Yajna Bridhyajna Krityagni.
Yajna Bhuk Yajna Sadhanah.
Yajna Bhuk Yajna Sadhanah.
Yajnanda Kridhyajna.
Yajñānta Krityagna.
Guhya Manna Mannada.
Guhya Manna Mannada.
Evacha.
Evacha.
Next one. Atma Yoni Swayam Jato.
Atma Yonismayam Jato.
Vaikhana Samagayanah.
सामगायनः
देवकीनन्दन स्रष्टा
देवकीनन्दनस्रष्टा
क्षितीशः पापनाशनः
क्षितीश पापनाशनः
आत्मयोनि स्वयं जातो
आत्मयोनि स्वयं जातो
वैखान सामगायनः
वैकार सामगायनः
देवकीनन्दन स्रष्टा
देवकीनन्दनस्रष्टा
क्षितीशः पापनाशनः
क्षितीश पापनाशनः.
Thank you, Hasini. Next, Sai Nishant will continue. Next,
Amma, next week I should say this, Amma.
I will tell you. I am going to put the schedule in the group. Everybody has to chant next week. All 10 slokas each. I will give it in the group. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Sai Nishant, are you ready?
Yes, Amma.
Shankha Brinnanda ki chakri
शङ्खबृन्नन्दकी चक्री
Charga Dhanva Gadadharah
शार्णगन्धान्वगाधरः
Charga Dhanva
Amma, can you repeat? I can't hear it.
Sharga Dhanva
शार्ङ्गधन्वा
Gadadharah
गदाधरः
Shankha Brinnanda ki chakri
शङ्खबृन्नन्दकी चक्री
Sharga Dhanva
शार्णगन्ध्वा
No, it is Sarga. Have you heard Sarngapani name? Have you heard? Sarga is the name of the Dhanush of Mahavishnu. Okay, that is Sharga. Sharga Dhanva.
शार्ङ्गधन्वा
Gadadharah
गदाधरः
Rathangapani
रताङ्गपाणि
Rakshobhya
रक्षोभ्य
Sarvapraharanayudhah
सर्वप्रहरणायुधः
Rathangapani
रदाङ्गपाणि
Rakshobhya
रक्षोभ्य
Sarvapraharanayudhah
प्रहरणायुधः.
Once more we will repeat. Shankha ki chakri
शङ्खबृन्नन्दकी चक्री
Sharga Dhanva
शार्ङ्गधन्वा
Gadadharah
गदाधरः
Rathangapani Rakshobhya
रताङ्गपाणि रक्षोभ्य
Sarvapraharanayudhah
सर्वप्रहरणायुधः.
Sarvapraharanayudha Om Nama Iti
सर्वप्रहरायुनदः ॐ नम इति.
Sarvapraharanayudha
सर्वप्रहरणायुध
Om Nama Iti
ॐ नम इति.
Vanamali Gadi Shargi
वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी
Chanki Chakri Chanantaki
शङ्खी चक्री कनन्दकी
Chanandaki
चनन्दकी
Vanamali Gadi Shargi
वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी
Chanki Chakri Chanandaki
शङ्खी चक्री चनन्दकी.
Shriman Narayano Vishnu
श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णु
Vasudevo Bhirakshatu.
वासुदेवो विरक्षतु.
This last shloka you have to chant 3 times, okay? The last one 3 times and then we can continue. Vanamali Gadi Shargi
वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी
Shanki Chakri Chanandaki
शंकी चक्री च नंदकी.
This is no explaining Mahavishnu what all he is having. Vanamali means he will have a good long garland, and Gadi means Gada and Sharngi. That I just told you, Sharnga, that is the Danush. And Shanki, Shankam, Panchajanyam, and Chakram, Sudarshana Chakram, Cha Nandaki. Okay, all these things Vishnu is having. That is the description. Shriman Narayano Vishnu
श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णुर्
Vasudevobhirakshatu
वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु.
Vanamali Gadi Sharngi
वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी
Shanki Chakri Cha Nandaki
शंकी चक्री च नंदकी.
Shriman Narayano Vishnu
श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णुर्
Vasudevobhirakshatu
वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु.
Shri Vasudevobhirakshatuam
श्रीवासुदेवोऽभिरक्षत्वो
Namayiti.
नम इति.
Thank you, Sai. So you have completed the last slokas. Okay. Anybody else wants to join the last 4 slokas? Please volunteer yourself. Who wants to do
Amma, can I
last 4 slokas? Vishruta. Okay, right.
Amma, can I Virat?
Amma, can we Vaishnavi?
Can I Virat? Virat.
Virat has chanted. Vaishnavi, I will, after Vishruta, I will give chance
this
to
is
Vaishnavi.
Nitika. Can I?
You never joined in earlier, you know, last sloka you are joining. In between, you never joined. Why? What happened? You were never present for the Vishnu Sahasranama. You used to join only after this. So how can I give now? Huh? Come on, Vishruta, ready? Shanka Brannandaki Chakri
Shankar Brindandaki Chakri
Sharga Dhanva Gadadaraha
Shargadhanva Gadadharaha
Rathanga Pani Rakshobhya
Rathangapani Rakshobhya
Sarva Praharanayudaha
Sarva Prahanadayudaha
Changa Brannandaki Chakri
Shankar Brindandaki Chakri
Sharga Dhanva Gadadharaha
Shargadharva Gadadharaha
Rathanga Pani Rakshobhya
Rathangapani Rakshobhya
Sarva Praharanayudaha
Sarva Pradhayanayudaha
Sarva Praharanayuda Om Nama Iti
Sarva Prahanayuda Om Nama Iti
Vanamali Gadi Sharngi
Vanamali Gadi Shangi
Shanki Chakri Chanandaki
Shanki Chakri Shanandaki
Shriman Narayano Vishnu
Shriman Narayano Vishnu
Vasudevobhirakshatu
Vasudevo Dhirakshatu
Vanamali Gadi Sharngi
Vanamali Gadi Shangi
Shanki Chakri Chanandaki
Shanki Chakri Shanandaki
Shriman Narayano Vishnu
Shriman Narayano Vishnu
Vasudevobhirakshatu
Vasudevo Abhirakshatu
Vanamali Gadi Sharngi
Vanamali Gadi Shangi
Shanki Chakri Chanandaki
Shanki Chakri Shanandaki
Shriman Narayano Vishnu
Shriman Narayano Vishnu
Vasudevobhirakshatu
Vasudevo Abhirakshatu
Shri Vasudevobhirakshatuam
Shri Vasudevo Abhirakshatu
Nama Iti
Namayati
Thank you, Vishruta and Samrita also joined. Very good. Now let us go to Vaishnavi. That is last today. We have only that much time. Vaishnavi, Shankha Brannandaki
Amma, we can
Chakri.
do it on our own.
You okay? Very good. Come on, chant.
शङ्ख बृहन्नन्दकी चक्री शाङ्खधन्वा गदाधरः रत्नाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्य सर्वप्रहरणायुधः श्री सर्वप्रहरणायुध ॐ नमैति वनमाली गदिशाङ्गी शङ्खी चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णु वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु वनमाली गदिशाङ्गी शङ्खी चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णु वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु वनमाली गदिशाङ्गी चक्री चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णु वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु श्री वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु ॐ नमैति.
Very good. Excellent. Virat, you can also chant because they have done of their own. You can repeat. Virat.
Yes, Amma.
Shankha Brannandaki Chakri.
Shankha Bridnandaki Chakri.
Charga Dhanva Gadadharah.
Charga Dhanva Gadarah.
Rathanga Pani Rakshobhya.
Ratanga Pani Rakshobhya.
Sarva Praharana Yudah.
Sarva Praharana Yudah.
Shankha Brannandaki Chakri.
Shankha Bridnandaki Chakri.
Charga Dhanva Gadadharah.
Sanga Dharma Radhadaraha.
Rathanga Pani Rakshobhya.
Ratanga Pani Rakshobhya.
Sarva Praharana Yudah.
Sarva Pranayana Yudah.
Sarva Praharana Yudah Om Namaiti.
Sarva Praharana Yudah Om Namaiti.
Vanamali Gadi Shargi.
Vanamali Gadi Shangi.
Chanki Chakri Chanandaki.
Shangi Chakri Chanandaki.
Shriman Narayano Vishnu.
Shriman Narayano Vishnu.
Vasudevo Bhirakshatu.
Vasudevo Virakshatuhu.
Vanamali Gadi Shargi.
Vanamali Gadi Shargi.
Chanki Chakri Chanandaki.
Shanki Chakri Chanandaki.
Shriman Narayano Vishnu.
Shriman Narayano Vishnu.
Vasudevo Bhirakshatu.
Vasudevo Virakshatuhu.
There is no tuhu, only tu, rakshatu. Okay? There is no visarga there. Huh? Vanamali Gadi Shargi.
Vanamali Gadi Shargi.
Chanki Chakri Chanandaki.
Chanki Chakri Chanandaki.
Shriman Narayano Vishnu.
Shriman Narayano Vishnu.
Vasudevo Bhirakshatu.
Vasudevo Virakshatu.
Shri Vasudevo Bhirakshatuom.
Shri Vasudeva Virakshatuom Namaiti.
Namayiti. Very good. Thank you, Virat. So we have completed the Vishnu Sahasranama. Next week, all of you will be chanting 10 slokas each. I will put the schedule in the group. You can practice. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Over to Sudama.
Namaste, namaste all children. Those who have not yet displayed their Ganesha can do that first. Those who have made Ganesha, I think Vedant is sitting there ready with his Ganesha. Can you show it your show us your Ganesha, Vedant? Show it properly to everyone.
Okay.
Vedanta? Has he shown?
No, he's not shown. He switched off his video. Okay, who else? Last year, V Vaishnavi.
Last
we want
year,
to show.
Anybody else who has made V Vaishnavi? Yes, she did a beautiful puja also, following all the instructions. Very well done, Vaishnavi. Anybody else?
Show again, Vaishnavi. Just
Vaishnavi?
spotlighted you.
Again, show it. Yeah.
Very nice. Beautiful. Okay. Anybody else who wants to show who didn't show earlier?
Anyone else?
Actually,
Deepika?
Amma, can I tell something?
Yeah.
Actually, my father wanted all me, my brother, and all of us to do the puja. So this was done by my father. This one was the blue one was done by me, and this was by my little brother. All right. This one.
Oh.
Very nice, beautiful. Very nice. Thank you, Lasya. Vedant, you have switched back your video. You want to share something?
Okay, Hasini is ready. Hasini, you show your Ganesha.
Beautiful.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice.
Amma, this Ritika, can I?
Those who are displaying Ganesha, you all show it properly. We'll have a screenshot with your Ganesha. All of you, yes, with your Ganesha, hold it there.
Manushree, hold it higher, yes.
Manushri also has done.
Thank you.
And who all didn't come in this? Uma, Samrita, yours. Then
One second, give me a minute. One more. Last. Okay, I think everybody has shown. Kushi. Okay, let us proceed to the tape.
okay. Oh, oh yes. Now we'll start with the presentation by our junior children. They are going to do some songs today. Actually, Manushri has to start. She had prepared only Vakratunda Mahakaya. Manushri, you have already chanted as the opening prayer. You want to chant it again, Manushri? Manushri. Huh?
Yes, Amma.
Okay. Okay. Again, repeat. That the sloka she had practiced for the presentation also. Okay, do it.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Samaprada Indrindam Echeva Sarvataleshu Sarvada
Okay.
Saraswati
No,
Namasudyam
no.
Padave Tamarupini Vidyaramram Tadishami Sitrim Vahatu Vesvata.
Okay, very good. Next, Ananya is there? Ananya?
Ananya is not joined.
Not joined. Okay. Samrita will sing the bhajan.
Yes, Amma.
Start the bhajan.
Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, Pahi Mam. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Lakshana. Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, Pahi Mam. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Lakshana. Shri Ganesha, Pahi Mam. Jai Ganesha, Lakshana. Shri Ganesha, Pahi Mam. Jai Ganesha, Lakshana. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Rakshamam. Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, Pahima. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Rakshamam. Shri Ganesha, Pahimam. Jai Ganesha, Rakshamam. Shri Ganesha, Pahima. Jai Ganesha, Rakshamam. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Rakshamam. Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, Shri Ganesha, Pahimam.
Very good. Nicely sung. Next, Saraswati is going to sing a song. Saraswati.
Shashwati, are you able to unmute yourself?
Shashwati, unmute and sing.
Okay, I think there is some network issue. Can we go to the next person and then come back to
We'll
Shashwati?
ask somebody else, then come back to Shashwati. Okay, Litika.
Likita,
Likita, sing now.
गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Very good.
गानचतुराय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिनि गुरुविक्रमाय गुरुभव गुणवे गुणगुरुवे गुरुदैत्यकलाक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मशलाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाकखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढकल्पाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगीयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीनाय गीताशयाय गीतवाचपटवे देयचरिताय गायकविराय गन्धर्वपीकृपे गायकादीन विग्रहाय अचल प्रणयवते गौरीस्तनन्दनाय गौरी हृदयनन्दनाय गौरभानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवणाय गौरबालाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि Thank you, Ma.
Oh, it's such a long and difficult song, but you sang it well. It contains so many namas of Ganesha. What about Shashwati? Is your net connecting? Can you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Sa ga 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 ma pa ma ga ni re re sa sa ni sa ga 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 ma pa ma re re sa ஞான மகா கணபதிக்கு புஷ்பாஞ்சலி நான்கு வேத கோஷங்களால் கீதாஞ்சலி ஞான மகா கணபதிக்கு புஷ்பாஞ்சலி நான்கு வேத கோஷங்களால் கீதாஞ்சலி பக்தியாலி மெய் மலக்கும் பிரேமாஞ்சலி பார்வதியின் மைந்தனுக்கு தீபாஞ்சலி பக்தியாலி மெய் மலக்கும் பிரேமாஞ்சலி பார்வதியின் மைந்தனுக்கு தீபாஞ்சலி ஞான மகா கணபதிக்கு புஷ்பாஞ்சலி நான்கு வேத கோஷங்களால் கீதாஞ்சலி அலங்கார பந்தலிலே அழகழகாய் கோலம் மாவிலை தோரணம் மணியோசை சந்தனம் குங்குமம் சகல பூஜை பொருட்களும் சுவாமிக்கு நைவேத்தியம் விதவிதமாய் மோதகம் ஞான மகா கணபதிக்கு புஷ்பாஞ்சலி 4 வேத கோஷங்களால் கீதாஞ்சலி கோடி நாம அர்ச்சனைகள் தூப தீபமனங்கள் பக்தி பாடலின் நொடிகள் கணபதி சன்னதியில் மனமுருகர் விழி பெருகி வழியும் பக்தர் விழிகளே பார்க்க பரவசமே பிறவி பயன் பெறுமே ஞான மகா கணபதிக்கு புஷ்பாஞ்சலி 4 வேத கோஷங்களால் கீதாஞ்சலி பக்தியாலே மெய் மறக்கும் பிரேமாஞ்சலி பார்வதியின் மைந்தனுக்கு தீபாஞ்சலி கீதாஞ்சலி புஷ்பாஞ்சலி கீதாஞ்சலி புஷ்பாஞ்சலி. தேங்க்யூ அம்மா.
Very good, Sashwati. You sang beautifully. Now, finally, we have Rakshita. Rakshita.
दुःखहर्ता माता विघ्नावी नुर्वे पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयांची सर्वांगी सुंदर अभिषेंगुराची कंठी जलके माल मुक्ता फलांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय ओम श्री मंगलमूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान दामोना मूर्ती जय देव जय देव रत्नाखचिता फारा तुझ गौरी कुमरा चंदनाचे ओटी कुमकुम केश्वरा हिरे जडिता मुकुटा शोभा तो बारा ऋणजुडती नो पारी चरणी घाघरिया जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती ओम श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान दामोना मूर्ती जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती ओम श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान दामोना मूर्ती जय देव जय देव. Thank you.
Very good, Rakshita. This is the Aarti song. So you sang it very well. Now, I think all have completed. Vedant, were you ready? You didn't? Your Vedant, Junior Vedant. Is he going to say that shloka? Sai?
Yes, Amma, he's going to say.
Oh, he didn't confirm that. So I did. Okay, let him also do. Vedant.
ओम गणानान्तु गणपति गुम हवामहे कविं कवीनापुमस्तनोपमस्तनोत्तर ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्तर आनस्येन ननो देवी सरस्वती राजे वाजिनीवते गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः ओम शांति शांति शांति.
Very nice, Vedant. You did it well. Sai, thanks for helping him also. Okay, we have a very good presentation by all our little children today. So now for the elder children, you are going to have a memory game. See, Ganesha, you all know, has the elephant head. You know the significance of elephant head? What is speciality? Anyone can say? Okay, elephant is known for its wisdom, intelligence, memory power, discriminative power, everything. That is why Ganesha is Buddhi Pradayaka. Now, some special names are there for Ganesha. We'll quickly go through the meaning. You have to follow very carefully, concentrate, because based on these names only you are going to play the memory game. Most of these names have two parts, prefix and suffix. So you will have to combine them using your memory power. So all of you, please concentrate on these names. Quickly, I will give you the meaning also. The different names of Ganesha. Eka Dantaya means he has one tusk only. You know what happened to the other tusk. While writing that Mahabharata, he used that. Vakra Tundaya means curved trunk. Gajavadana or Matanga Vadana both means he is elephant faced. Shiva Nandana, that is son of Shiva. It can be Parvati Putra, Parvati Tanaya, Gauri Tanaya, Ambika Tanaya, all are. Ganesha is son of Parvati. Buddhi Pratayaka, I already told you, he is bestowing wisdom on it. That's why by praying to Ganesha, you all will become very wise. Gananatha is the leader of all the Ganas who take care of all the work in the cosmos under the leader, Shiva. So Prathama Pujita, we always do puja to Ganesha first. So he is Prathama Pujita, he is pot-bellied, big-bellied, so he is called Lambodhara. He removes all obstacles, so he is Vigna Vinashaka. He is fond of Modaka, so Modaka Priya. He leads us to enlightenment, so Siddhi Vinayaka. He bestows our auspiciousness, so Mangala Murti. And his Vahana is mouse, so Mushika Vahana. Just have a look at these names. Keep it in mind. You will use them for your memory game. We start the memory game now.
Okay, I'll call out each person. So you might have played this memory game using cards while you open two sets of cards and then you match. So the memory game that we are going to play now, it has one card will have the first part. For example, Eka Dantaya. One card will have Eka and there are another card which will have Dantaya. Okay. We will try to open two cards. You need to have, when each person gets a chance to open two cards, the rest of them will observe and then remember as to where these names are, so that when you get a chance you can match the correct names. Okay, and then take down the point for yourself if you are able to match it. Okay, so now this is how. Okay, one is already open for you to see. Okay, so now we will start with Sai. Sai, you can give call out two set of numbers.
Amma, 7 and 9.
7 Vakra. So Vakra should go with what?
Tundaya.
Tundaya, but let's see in this 9 having to know. 9 has Parvati.
But
Okay.
remember, 9 is Parvati and 7 is Vakra.
Okay, so I hope rest of you saw it. Next, Vishruta, you can call out your set of numbers.
Amma, 14 and 15.
14 and 15. 14 has Buddhi. So Buddhi should go with what? What is the name?
Ma'am, Vinayaka.
No, Buddhi
Pradayaka.
Pradayaka. Buddhi Pradayaka. So let's see, 15 has Pradayaka. No, 15 has Tundaya. Okay, somebody else has got a clue now.
Now,
So next, Virat.
Amma, 9 and 15.
9 and 15. Okay.
not
No,
9 and
no.
15. Not 9 and 15.
Okay, so
Anybody else?
so 9 and 15. 9 was Parvati, 15 Tundaya. So next we will go to Kushi.
Ma'am, 7 and 15.
Okay, let's see. Okay, 7 is Vakra, 15. Okay, so Vakra Tundaya. So Kushi gets 1 point. See, it's just a matter of choice. Okay, it's a fun we are doing. So let us continue like this. Okay, next we will give chance to Vaishnavi, G Vaishnavi, to pick two numbers.
Amma, 18 and 13.
Okay, 18 is Dara. So Dara should have a prefix of what?
Lambodhara.
Lambodhara. So let us see if 13 has Lambo. No. 13 has Shiva and 18 has Dhara. Okay. So let's move on to next. Who will say? Okay, Lasya, you want to give two set of numbers?
9 and 12.
9 was Parvati. Let's see if we have. Okay, we have Lambo in 12 and 9 Parvati. So now we know where Dhara was. Somebody is going to be lucky now. Let's give it to V Vaishnavi.
Amma, 12 and 18.
12 Lambo, 18 Dhara. Very good. Yes. Okay, next we will have, who is going to call? Rakshita, can you call out numbers? Two numbers.
Amma, 6 and 16.
6 is Prathama. So Prathama, it should be, what should be the suffix?
Pujita.
Prathama Pujita. Let us see if 16 has Pujita. No, 16 has Nandana and Prathama. So
Nandana means Putra.
Nandana means.
Can I say Samrita?
Wait, Samrita.
Amma, please.
Amma, this is Hasini.
Yes, Hasini. Hasini, tell next.
Amma, 13 and 16.
Very good, Hasini. Shiva Nandana. Very good. So, Hasini got a point. Now, just give me a second. Who shall we call? Okay, Vedant, you pick your set of cards.
Amma, junior or senior?
Senior Vedant.
8 and 14.
Okay, 8 is Dantaya. So, Dantaya should have a prefix of what?
Ek.
But let's see if 14 has the ek. No. 14 has Buddhi. So Buddhi should go with Pradayaka. So let us see who is going to say next.
Amma, can I say Samrita?
Okay, Samrita.
14 and 9.
14 is Buddhi. 9 is Parvati. Okay, so again, 9 is Parvati and 14 is Buddhi. It is not a match. Shall we ask Nitika?
Yes, Amma. So, 6 and 9.
6 is Prathama. 9 is Parvati. So 9, you remember it is Parvati, okay? And 6 is Prathama. Okay, quickly, who else knows, has seen? We had Pujita somewhere. Okay, just call out some other number. We know where Dantaya is. Okay, next, Chinmay. Chinmay.
Amma, 17 and
17 and quick. Another number.
20.
17 Siddhi and 20 has Gana. 20 has Gana and 17 has Siddhi. We will play few more rounds because if you're not able to close, we are short of time. So we'll play for 2-3 more rounds to see.
Amma, can I say Samrita?
Desika, first let us give chance to some people who have not got chance. Okay, Desika. Yes, after this Likita. After Desika. Yes, Desika.
Amma, 11
Okay.
and 3.
11 is Tanaya. So it's easy now. Everybody knows the prefix of Tanaya.
Tanaya should be connected to what?
Okay, but she said 11 and 3. So it is Gaja and Tanaya. Okay. So next we'll give it to now.
I told you Tanaya means Putra.
Amma, I know this.
Who?
I know what is Tanaya.
Virat. Amma, this is G. Vaishnavi. Can I?
Ma'am, you told I will go next.
Likita.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 1 and 8.
1 and 8. Okay, 1 has Ekha, 8 has Dantaya. Very good. Did you know what was there in 1, Likita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that is good. Okay, we will go to Virat. Virat?
Amma, 9
Hmm.
and 11.
9 and 11. Parvati, Tanaya. Very good. So we only have few more cards left. Quickly, let's try. Okay.
Amma, can I do this?
Amma, can I pick the cards? This is Hasini.
Wait. Has Hasini? Okay, Kushi, you pick the cards once.
14 and 17.
14 is Buddhi, 17 is Siddhi. Okay, it is not a match though. Okay, quickly we will do. Okay, next, Hasini, quickly choose.
Amma, 19 and 4.
19 is Vinayaka. 4 is Natha. Okay, we know somewhere Natha, Vinayaka should come with what?
Amma, can I? G Vaishnavi.
Okay, now wait, G, let me close this. G Vaishnavi, yes.
Amma, 17 and 19.
17 and 19, Siddhi Vinayaka. Very good. So G Vaishnavi gets a point. Very good. Okay. Next, quickly, Nitika. Choose two numbers.
Akka, so 3 and 14.
3 is Gaja and 14 Buddhi. No, that's not a match. Vishruta, pick two numbers.
Amma, 14 and 10.
14 is Buddhi, 10 is Vadana. No, that also is not a match. Next, quickly.
Vadana will go.
Can I say Samrita?
Wait,
Amma, can I
Samrita.
say
Can
Desika?
I say Samrita?
No, Samrita, wait.
Amma, can I?
V Vaishnavi.
Amma, 20 and 4.
Okay, 20 is Gana, 4 is Natha. Very good, V Vaishnavi, she got it. Okay, we only have 6 more cards. Quickly, we can do. Who wants to? Sai, you want to try?
Amma, can I Desika?
1 second, Desika. Sai, try next set of numbers.
Lucky give 5 and 10. Lucky give.
5 and 10. 5 is Pujita, 10 is Vadana. No. So now you know where Pujita is. Okay. Okay, who is remembering?
What is the prefix for
Amma, this is Desika. Amma, Rakshita. Amma, this is Desika.
Rakshita?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I know.
Rakshita?
Ma'am,
Yes, Samrita, after
Amma, 6 and 10.
6 is Prathama, 10 is Vadana. No, Prathama and what should it come? Okay, now we'll call Desika. Desika.
Amma, 3 and 10.
3 Gaja, 10 is Vadana. Very good. Desika gets her point. Now
Amma, can
Samrita.
I change?
1 second. Samrita, pick your cards.
2 and 14.
2 is Pradayaka, 14 is Buddhi. No, so you see.
Buddhi Pradayaka?
Oh, sorry. Buddhi Pradayaka. Okay,
Correct.
Samrita, you are right. Buddhi
Correct.
Pradayaka. Very good.
I will say.
Okay.
Only 2 left.
Only 2 left. So we'll open the cards for all of you. Prathama, Pujita. Okay.
They were side by side.
Yeah,
Very
very good. Thank you so much. We're a little late today, but we'll move to
Now
story
over
session.
to Hema ma'am.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yes,
You
no
all
problem that it was late. It was very interesting. So we all were immersed in the game. And really for our memory also, I think we should play more such games, you know. So it really helps us with our memory. And we got also so many names of Ganesha, which is a plus
you
point.
have learned so many names also.
Yes. So now we are going to a story, and it's a story on Ganesha. I have told this story, I think 2 years or 2.5 years ago. So senior students know the story, junior students, you have not heard it from me at least. So as I'm telling the story, there'll be questions, and the senior students will have to answer them. Okay, right? You take up the challenge? Good. So I'll just share this with you. Okay. So this story, is it shared? No? Okay, 1 second. Yeah. So this story is on Kubera's feast. How many of you remember the story? Raise your hands. How many of you remember the story? Kubera's. Yeah, you remember? Very good. So this is about a feast, a yummy spread of food, which was, put out for Ganesha. We also all had yummy food yesterday. Most of us, I'm sure, must have had some prasadams made at home. So first we are going to start with some questions on the lovely prasadams made at home or bought from shop, whichever way it is, what we offer to God. So festivals and good prasadams. So first question, how many types of modaks can be prepared? Can you tell me? You all have eaten yesterday? Yes, Khushi?
I think 2.
What is it?
Spicy modak and sweet modak.
Okay, be more specific. You've eaten it, no? So you know what is the main ingredient in the spice and what is the main ingredient in the sweet.
I don't know that.
Anybody else? Okay, good. Good attempt.
Amma,
Anybody?
can I say Vishruta?
Yes, Vishruta.
Amma, I've eaten. I've eaten 5 yesterday.
Ah.
One was sweet one, which was made of coconut and jaggery.
Very good.
There was a salty one, and it was having coconut and
Dal.
some dal.
Ah.
And there was another one which is ball in shape, and it was sweet and salty.
Okay.
It had coconut, jaggery, and dal.
Okay.
And this one was a modak, which is in a shape, which was like a peda,
Ah.
and inside there was jaggery inside it.
Oh, very nice. Excellent. Lovely. So we can see Vishwa has told us so many, and she's eaten and she's analyzed the ingredients also. Very good. Modaks all over India are made of variety of offerings. Dry fruits can be put, coconut, different dals. It can be sweet, it can be salty, it can be spicy. So we have got a wide variety. Name 3 types of laddus.
Amma, this is G Vaishnavi.
Yes, G Vaishnavi.
Besan.
Besan ka laddu. Then?
Besan laddu, ragi laddu, and
Okay.
coconut.
Coconut laddu. Okay. Which laddu does Ganesha like? Usually in the pictures they show that laddu. What is that laddu? Yes. Yes, motichur laddu. So many types of laddu. Coconut, cashew, almond. Yes.
Ma'am, buddhi laddu.
Bundi laddu.
Bundi
Yes.
laddu.
Who is this answering?
Motichur
Deepika.
laddu and moonda laddu.
What is that? Mohan dal laddu. Okay, very good. Okay, we all have paisams during all our festivals. Tell me the 3 types of paisams that can be made with jaggery. Jaggery is good, vellam.
Amma, can I say?
Answer. You all ate paisam, no?
Hasini, can I say
Can
one?
I say Chinese?
Amma, this is
Who wants to
Hasini,
say?
can I say one?
Hasini, yes, Hasini.
Amma, I know only one. Semia paisam.
Same, yeah, paisam. Right. 2 more. Somebody else.
Amma, can I say
Sai.
one?
Sai.
Amma, annam pie.
Amma, this is
Yes.
Nitika.
Rice paisam, yes.
This is Nitika, may I?
Nitika.
Sabudana paisa.
Nitika, what did you say?
Sabudana paisa.
I can't. All of you mute. Only Nitika will unmute. Nitika, what did you say?
Sabudana paisa.
Sabudana paisam. Javarsi paisam. Very good. So like we have so the list is endless. Okay. How many types of vadas can be prepared for God?
Amma, can I Virat?
Virat.
Amma, there's one corn vada that I ate. There's the normal vada that we
Kara vada, normal vada. What is it made of?
like it's made of batter.
Batter. Which batter? What is put in the batter? One is a white vada. One has got multicolored dals in it.
Yeah, there's like a lot.
So one is ulundu vada made of urad dal. One is made of 3 dals or 4 dals mixed. Right?
Amma,
There's
can I
sabudana
say
vada
one
and
more?
vada.
Can I say one more type of
Yes.
vada?
This is
Yes.
Sabudana vada, which is special in Maharashtra.
Very good. Yes, sabudana vada is Maharashtra. Lasya, you said something?
I know 2 of them. One is the round one which doesn't have a hole in it. And
Okay.
one is the one that has that looks like a donut.
Yeah. So now you go and find out what is it prepared of. Okay, you all enjoy eating it. Now analyze what is put into it and why it makes it so tasty. Tomorrow you all have to be great cooks, no? All boys and girls. So you should start learning about appreciating.
Akka, I think I know what's in the normal vada.
Yes. What is it?
I think it's dosa batter. Not sure though.
Not dosa batter, urad dal. Yes, right. Okay, now we go ahead with the story. You know, Kubera is a lord of wealth. Okay, and he wanted to host an extravagant feast for all the gods and goddesses. And his basic aim was to show off his wealth. Kubera has got unlimited wealth, no? So he wanted to show the whole world how wealthy he was, you know. So he went here and there he went to Kailasha to invite Lord Shiva. He went to Lord Shiva. Shiva knew, moment he saw him, he came to know that he has come to just talk about his wealth or just show the people his wealth. Kubera was his patron. Shiva was his patron. He owed all his wealth to Shiva, who had granted him with unlimited wealth. Okay. So was it right for him to go and show off in front of Shiva? No. So Shiva understood what is in his mind. So he says, I will not come. He decides, I will not go. I will not go to this. He and Parvati politely told Kubera, sorry, we are very busy. We cannot come to your party or it's a function which you're doing. So Kubera says, no, but I will not go back disappointed. I've come all the way to Kailasha. Senior students, now whom does Lord Shiva decide to send to the feast?
Amma, can I wrap?
Ritika, this is Ritika.
Ritika.
Amma, this is
Let's say V Vaishnavi.
Amma, this is
Vaishnavi.
Ritika.
Amma, this is Lasya.
Okay, V Vaishnavi.
Amma Ganesha.
Ganesha. So Lord Shiva says, I will send Ganesha. My son will represent me in your function. Kubera was very happy and took Lord Ganesha with him. And they went in the flying chariot of Kubera. They went to the beautiful, magnificent palace. And everywhere you could see, golden thrones and brocade curtains. And you could see the wealth everywhere. And the feast was laid out. And all these things we discussed, laddus and modaks and different types of payasams and different types of rice and, maybe pulao, whatever they made in those days, everything was laid out on the table. Ganesha entered, he showed the dishes, and immediately Ganesha starts gulping down. Second helping, third helping, but his stomach does not get full. Keeps on eating, keeps on eating. And you see continuously he is eating. Kubera immediately says his army, come on, make more food, make more food. The entire 100 people are making food and offering it. Within seconds, Ganesha is finishing them and he says, give me more. I want more. This is a huge feast. No, give me more. All the food was slowly getting over. All the kitchen, all the annam, the rice, the jaggery, the ghee, the butter, all Ganesha has eaten everything. Whatever they could make, they had made. And cooks were exhausted. They've been cooking and cooking. Now they don't have anything to cook anymore. Senior children, what does Ganesha start eating?
What can I, Virat?
Amma, this is Ritika. This is Ritika.
Virat.
Amma, this is La.
Virat, one person's name I take, others will be mute. Virat.
Amma, Lord Ganesha starts eating all the gold plates and silver utensils.
All the ornate decorative vessels there, he starts eating them. So one by one he's hungry. He says, my hunger is not satisfied. I need more. I want more. And Kubera gets very scared. My God, what's he going to eat next? There's nothing for him. But Ganesha says, I'm still hungry. So what does Kubera do? He runs to Lord Shiva and asks him for help. Please help me. Your son is going to consume everything in all my wealth is going to go away. Please help me. So that time Shiva says, Kubera, you organize this function to show your financial status and not for the goodness of feeding people. Annadanam is very good. Giving people food is a very good thing. You should be like the fruit-laden tree that bends down with the weight of fruits so that all can benefit. Being rich does not mean one should be arrogant. Being rich means you are able to do so much for others, even after having a comfortable life for yourself. So now, senior children, what advice does Parvati give Kubera?
Amma, this is La.
Sai Nishant.
Sai Nishant, I already answered. Someone else. What advice did Parvati give to Kubera to stop Ganesha from eating?
Amma, can Khushi
Amma,
say-
this is Vaishnavi.
She,
Amma, Parvati gives a bowl of rice and tells the Kubera to give Ganesha humbly by requesting so that he eats it. After that, he will be full.
very good. Very good, Khushi. So then Parvati gives him a bowl of rice and tells him, go and feed it to Ganesha with humility. Tell him, request him to eat it. And the moment he ate the rice, that one small bowl of rice, his hunger was totally satisfied. He fell at Ganesha's feet and begged for forgiveness for the pride that he had previously. He understood that even being rich, I should continue to be very humble. What is the message of this story?
Amma, this is Lasya. Can
Anybody can answer. Senior children, junior children, or anybody.
Amma, can I, Virat?
Amma, this is
Somebody.
Lasya.
Rakshita.
Amma, this is Lasya.
Lasya.
Virat.
Amma, Rakshita.
Amma, the message.
Lasya, then Rakshita. First Lasya.
The message of the story is that we shouldn't be very proud of what we have. Like,
Very good.
so
Very
you
good.
have this writing skill, but your friend doesn't have. So you shouldn't go and boast and tease him
Excellent.
about it.
Excellent, Lasya. You related it not only to wealth, to something else. Very nice. It could be anything that we have. We should not be proud. Next was, who was the person I said next? After
Ma'am,
Rakshita. Rakshita.
Ma'am, we should not be proud for the thing that we have wealth or something else. We should always give. So, if we have more than the comfortable, we have to give others. We have to donate and we have to do Annadanam, but not
Very
to
good.
tease everyone.
Very good, Rakshita. Excellent.
Amma, this is Vaishnavi. We have a
Yes,
different
so I'm
point.
just, we are running out of time, children. So we'll just quickly sum up. So God cannot be pleased by expensive gifts and all. God wants your love and devotion. You have to share your blessing with others. If you have enough money, then give some to others. Make donation for the ones who don't have. If you have knowledge, share it. Okay? If you have art, spread the art to others. You have knowledge, you have anything. It is very good to spread it. Okay. So with this, I stop the story, and I hope you all enjoyed the story of Kubera's feast. Thank you, children. Over to Lakshmi ma'am for the closing praise.
Yeah. Hello, children. So you all have enjoyed about different paisams, laddus, and modakas. So nice, no? Now we have to wait for another year to get all those things. Till Ganesha is at home, you can enjoy. Till the Visarjan, every day one thing your mother will be making, no? For Naivedya. So enjoy as much as possible. Okay? Let us close today's session.
It was not recorded, today's session. Okay.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Bye, Ma.